So I'm not gonna waste your time. This is my exact meal routine that made me gain over 20 kilos in 2 years' time. So we'll start off with my breakfast. It's easy to get down in the morning if you have a bad appetite and are not very hungry. It consists of some high protein skyr with fruit, a variety of nuts, a whole banana, and a glass of raw milk. It is very easy to get down in the morning. It has around 900 calories, 50 grams of protein. Very, very delicious. Then I pack some food for school, some fruit and peanuts. And in my school break, I also get 4 croissants and eat them. Then after school, I get 4 eggs, 4 pieces of salami, and I make a nice omelette with it. I also toast 2 pieces of bread and I put some cheese on them. Usually I drink some coffee with this, and it's very, very delicious meal. Um, One of my favorite meals of the day to eat. Um, there's around 900 calories, 50 grams of protein also. Then for dinner, I just eat whatever my mom makes, and I try to compensate in the evening. Um, One of my standard meals is some liver sausage, 4 pieces, and I it's very, very delicious. It has a lot of protein, 650 calories, 30 grams of protein. And then in the evening, I try to even out my calories and protein with some snacks like some nuts or a yogurt or something to get my calories and macros good. And that depends on like what I had for dinner that day. So I hope this helps you in your fitness journey, and I see you next time.